Success of facility management is contingent upon the proper execution of maintenance procedures. Effective maintenance not only amplifies efficiency but also reduces unforeseen issues. To realize this objective, facility managers must adopt a comprehensive maintenance plan encompassing regular inspections, preventive maintenance, and prompt repairs. One of the first concepts to grasp is the difference between preventive and reactive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a proactive facility management approach involving planned, routine inspections and repairs. Its primary objective is identifying and addressing potential problems before they escalate into critical issues. On the other hand, we have reactive maintenance. This approach involves addressing problems only when they arise. Reactive maintenance, on the other hand, addresses problems only when they occur, similar to going to the doctor only when you're already sick. Relying solely on reactive maintenance can lead to unexpected breakdowns, costly repairs, and unnecessary downtime, increasing operational costs. Therefore, it's more efficient to use a proactive maintenance approach to minimize equipment failure and optimize facility performance. Every system, from HVAC to plumbing and electrical, plays a critical role in the overall well-being of your facility. By ensuring that these systems remain in good condition, you save on energy costs and help create a better future. By establishing maintenance schedules and checklists based on industry best practices and facility-specific needs, we can ensure timely equipment maintenance and optimize the lifespan of our equipment. As an example, let's look at an HVAC system. Prioritizing regular maintenance for your HVAC system to guarantee optimal performance and create a welcoming and healthy indoor environment is essential. Routine tasks such as filter cleaning, lubrication of moving parts, and inspecting electrical connections can significantly improve the effectiveness of your HVAC system. Failing to carry out these tasks can result in reduced efficiency, higher energy consumption, and a shorter lifespan for your HVAC system. In the context of multi-story buildings, the maintenance of elevators holds great significance. Given their critical role in transporting occupants and visitors, elevators must always function effectively and efficiently. Implementing a preventive maintenance program for elevators involves several key steps: regular inspections, cleaning and lubrication, testing safety features, replacement of worn-out parts, software updates. In summary, facility maintenance involves understanding preventive versus reactive maintenance, knowing your facility's critical systems, and establishing maintenance schedules and checklists. Prioritizing maintenance practices is crucial to achieving efficient and cost-effective facility operations. It is imperative to carefully assess the maintenance needs of your facility and develop a comprehensive plan to address them. By adhering to these best practices, facility managers can ensure the optimal performance of their facilities and provide a secure and functional environment for all occupants. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to My FM Guru for more valuable insights into facility management.